Okay. This video is provide a demonstration on another out of bounds bug we can do in Trails of Cold Steel 4. So this one is in Act 1, Part 1. Again, you'll have to unlock horse riding, which you can do once you reach Titus Gate here. Just talk to these guys. There you go. And we're going to head over to the North Highway. Again, we've seen the previous video. The bug is done in the same way here. We are going to mount up on a horse, get off the horse, leave the map, re-enter the map, get on the horse, enter menu, make someone new the leader. I think it was important not to make Yuna the leader because Altina and Yuna are on the same horse. I think that's true. So we'll do Kurt there, and you save game without leaving menu. Load game from that save you just made. Again, don't leave the menu. And you'll go to the 0 coordinates map. So here we are out of bounds. So we can use this now to proceed through this map. Normally we get stopped around here and told we can't go any further, but we skip by that wall by being out of bounds. And
easy there.
Did I go too far? I did not go too far. I did not go far enough. Here we go. I'm just looking for the way off of this map, which is right here. So we'll get around to the backside of this one.
Easy there.
Dismount. Dismount will bring you back down to the lower level. As long as you are above it, you can generally do that. Below seems to be a problem.
Now let's go.
And now we are on map 2, which is loaded in more or less normally. So we can run through this. These enemies are very high level, so we actually don't want to mess with them. We'll just run on past. And our goal is to get the, Dreknor Fortress at the end of the road here. There is some useful treasure. Right, this one back here is the main one.
Woo, baby.
Indeed 3 is a pretty useful quartz. Provides 30 strength, which is a lot at this portion of the game. Delay can be good. Cool. So we go ahead and enter the fortress. We go straight to the command room. From here, we will then walk backwards into the dungeon. So, room 2. The other main interesting thing here is in room 2. Right at the start of it, so we use the fast travel point to go back to the start, is through this vent. We can pick up an accessory that provides 50 strength. So this one. It's powerful.
Here. We must take care.
Cool. So yeah, so that gives us a few different accessories. Leave me alone, dude. That provides us the quartz, gives 30 strength, and the accessory provides 50 strength. So somewhat useful at this point in the game. Although a fair amount of time to come back here, so not clear this is worth doing in like a speed run, but one at least documented can be done. The other interesting part from doing this is later on in Act 2, Part 2, when you come back here. Because you saw we had picked up those fast travel points, you keep them. So here we are back in the fortress where we have to, go through it and like fight enemies as usual. But we actually have the fast travel points. We kept these from the last time we were here, so we're allowed to go straight to the command room. Now, going straight here isn't enough. This won't trigger the actual like boss fight yet. We need to set a few different flags as we run through here. But you can go ahead and let's just load up my save. You can get through here faster because you don't have to do everything. First of all, because we were already here, for whatever reason, the gate that's supposed to be here isn't here, so we can just run on through. This is the important fight to do here. So if you go ahead and clean this one up.
I'll handle this.
That should do it. That is the trigger to turn on the fight in the floor 2, the next portion of the map, to do the mech fight. And if we do that, then that actually unlocks the final fight at the end of the dungeon. So we do this one. Skip on. Head back to 2. Actually, we wouldn't go to 2. My mistake. We want to go to the command room and run backwards. Otherwise, this is what lets us avoid another forced combat and having
Just my
to open up
style.
a shutter. Instead, we can just run backwards all the way. And because we did the first force combat, we are now able to do the mech combat fight here. Now we'll bring Yuna. Let's see if I remember how to do this fight. You in the arms? Cool.
All right.
Probably a gravestone.
Thanks.
You're mine.
Don't die, Yuna.
Here I go.
Body?
Wide open. There.
Alright, we need Yuna alive, so get back up.
I appreciate my turn.
It's my turn.
Unite. This should clean up most of the fight.
My
And,
turn. Wide open. I shall go. Yeah.
and Altina will finish. Okay.
All right.
Anyway.
Got.
Not the important parts of the bug, we're just getting through this fight. 'Cause that will show if you go to the command room now, you have done everything all the necessary
That's
triggers.
the 4th Division's crest.
This will start the final fight, and so you could clean up this dungeon.
Come at me.
I'm not ready to do this fight. I didn't do my appropriate setup, so we could probably limp our way through, but that's not important for the bug. Anyway, if you, in Act 1, Part 1, get those fast travel points, you can get through this dungeon significantly faster. It's probably not worth it in the speedrun. You're going to miss out on a ton of experience and U materials. So yeah, it's neat. It would be a time save, but the resources you miss out on probably make it not worthwhile to do it. If you can find alternate ways to get the U materials we're missing and the experience we're missing fast, then maybe. But right now it doesn't look too promising. Anyway, document it to show that it can be done. And yeah, just want to show that off. Okay. That's all for this one. Thanks.